Let's go to page 167 and 202. Okay, so you have this picture that's given. Okay, so it's A, B, C, D. And so AB is parallel to DC. So wiggly line means, wavy line means they are parallel. So AB equal to 5, BC equal to 3 square root of 2, and angle BCD equal to 45 degrees. And angle CDA is 60 degrees. And you're looking for DC. Okay, so what you want to do with this is go ahead and draw perpendicular lines down. Okay, so if this is a 5, this would be a 5. Okay, and so this is a 45 spatial triangle. So from the hypotenuse to the leg, you divide by square root of 2. So this would be a 3, this would be a 3, and this would be a 3. So from long leg to short leg, you divide by square root of 3. So this would be a square root of 3. So by looking at that, you can see that x, the DC, equal to, you add this together, so it would be square root of 3 plus 5 plus 3. So x equal to 8 plus square root of 3. Okay, let's go to 203. Okay, so you have a quadrilateral with ortho diagonal. So this one, what you want to do is you want to draw the ortho diagonal first. Okay, so draw the ortho diagonal, and then you can draw the side after that. Okay, and let's see. I'm trying to draw it so that all four are different. Okay, there we go. I'm going to make this side even longer. There we go. Okay, so you got A, B, C, D. And then you want to join the midpoint of each side. Okay, so let's go and get the midpoint. And so this is E, F, G, H. So you connect the midpoint. Okay, and this is given, right? Okay. So, yeah. Okay. And I'm going to call this point P. So all these are midpoints. And so you want to prove that this is a rectangle. Okay. So what you need to do is look at a triangle a little bit at a time. Okay, so when you join the midpoint of the side of the legs, so what you're going to have is you're going to have this going to be parallel to this, and this would be half of this. Okay, so that's what you're going to have. So using that theorem, so you're going to have the HE is parallel to DB. And you do the same thing for the bottom triangle over here. So you do the same thing. So you're going to get FG is parallel to DB. Okay. Now you're going to do the same for this over here. So you can look at this triangle over here. So you're going to get HG is parallel to AC. And this triangle over here, you're going to get EF is parallel to AC. And so since both of these are parallel to DB, then this would be parallel to each other, right? So combine these two, you get HE is parallel to FG. Combine these two, you got HG is parallel to EF. Okay. Now also that from here you have the DB is perpendicular to AC. Okay, so this is perpendicular. So, and this is parallel to this, and if this is perpendicular, all this would be perpendicular. Okay. So in other words, you're going to get HE perpendicular to EF, and you're going to have HE perpendicular to HG, and on this side, you're going to have the same thing. Okay. So all this would be perpendicular. So if these are perpendicular and the parallel, all this would be perpendicular. Okay, and do the same thing down here. Okay. So you're going to get FG is perpendicular to AG, and you're going to get FG is perpendicular to EF. So everything's all perpendicular. And so by looking at these, notice when you got three right angles, okay, then this has to be also 90 degrees because the four angle have to add up equal to 360. Okay, so from there you can see that all this would be angle. So you're going to have the angle EHG equal to 90, and you're going to have an angle HGF equal to 90 degrees. You're going to have an angle GFE equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and then you're going to have the angle FEH equal to 90 degrees, and therefore EFGH is a rectangle because you have 4 right angles. Okay, and that's it for this one. Okay, let's go to 204. Okay, 204, you have a rectangular picture frame. So you have length, width, length, width. And it says the length is 3 times the width. And it's surrounded by a frame that's 4 inches wide. Okay, so that means this would be 3W plus 8 because it's 4 inch. This is 4 inch, 4 inch, right? So it would be plus 8, and this would be W plus 8 because you got 4 inch here, 4 inch here. Okay. Okay, so what do we have? So what is the, and what other information we have? Okay, so the perimeter of the outside is 96, so the perimeter is 96. So that means all 4 sides together would be 96. So you got the top, the right side, the bottom, and the left side equal to 96. So the perimeter equal to 96. Okay, so go and add everything together. You're going to get 8W plus 32 equal to 96. So minus 32. So 8W equal to 64. Divide by 8, divide by 8. So W equal to 8. And the length over here is 3 times W, so it would be 3 times 8. So length equal to 24. Okay. Okay, let's go to 205. So page 167, 205. So you have a rectangle. And you have the so you have rectangle A, B, C, D, and you have the midpoint. You got midpoint M, and you have a point E right over here. Okay, and then let's see what else do we have. Okay, so AM equal to MB, so these are congruent, and AB equal to 24. So that means this is 12 and this is 12. Okay. and x equal to DE, so here's your x. And you're looking for the x such that this area over here equal to twice of this area. Okay. Okay, so you're looking for x. Well, this is 24, so this would be a 24 also. So this is x, so this would be 24 minus x. And so this area is twice as this. So the area for trapezoid is, you find the average base. So you're going to get x plus 12 divided by 2. So that will give you the medium right over here, times the height. Okay, and the height is giving as 18. So BC equal to 18. Okay, so area, so K equal to, K of this is equal to the average base times height. Okay, so K1 equal to this. And this area is the same thing, so K2 equal to the average base would be 12 plus 24 minus x over 2 times 18. Okay, and now it says that this area is twice as that, so this is twice as that, so let's go ahead and put it together. So you got x plus 12 over 2 times 18 equal to twice of this area here. Okay, and we can get rid of the 18, and these two cancels out. So let's go and cross multiply. So I get x plus 12 equal to, move over, so you get 20. You know, this is 36, so times 2 will give me 72. Okay, so 72 minus 2x. So move the x over here, so plus 2x, so plus 2x minus 12 minus 12. So I get 3x equal to 60 divided by 3 divided by 3, so x will equal to 20. And that's it. Okay, let's go to 206. Okay, you have a two circle and common tangent. Okay. So you're looking for this over here, from here to here. Okay, so for this, what you need to do is you have to draw your trapezoid and you have to draw your rectangle up to that. So the small radius is 8, big radius is 11. Okay. So again, remember, radius to the tangent at the point tangency is perpendicular. So what you want to do is you're going to connect this over here. Now this is 8, this is 11 because there's our radius, right? So this entire length is 19. Okay. Then what you need to do for this type of problem is you always draw a rectangle. So if this is 8, this would be an 8, and this would be a 3. Okay. So now you can use your Pythagorean theorem. So this is x, so this would be an xy over here. So by using this triangle, okay, so you're going to get x squared plus 3 squared equal to 19 squared. So go and work it out. And this will give you 361 minus 9 on both sides. So you have x squared equal to 352. Take the square root, so x equal to square root of 352. Okay, now you have to simplify that. So this is even, so divide by 2. And you can divide by 2 again. Divide by 2, you get 44. Divide by 2, you get 22. Divide by 2, you get 11. And so that's as far you can go. Okay, so this comes out, this comes out. So x equal to 2 times 2 is 4. The leftover would be square root of 22. Okay, and that's it.